So what I like to say is, for most people, weather is small talk. For us, it's our passion. But we're all affected by weather. When you wake up in the morning, how's my commute to work going to be? What am I going to wear today? Are there any hazards that I need to be aware of? It affects all of us every day in one way or another. So we're running STORM, which stands for Student Training for Observational Research in Meteorology. And on that observational side, we really are looking at what people would refer to as field research or field work. Field work is such an important tool for learning, both as students, but also when you're out there in your career, gathering data, analyzing them so we can answer questions. And across the earth sciences, it really is recognized how valuable that is. Beaver Island is a relatively small island located in northern Lake Michigan. Really a wonderful environment for studying the weather. I really like that it is a little bit more to itself here, that we are a little bit more secluded, and being here right on Lake Michigan in this environment where students get to learn how to use all these different tools. We're working with weather balloons, we're working with drones, our mobile mesonet, this instrumented research vehicle that students can look at the data as it's coming in, as we're driving across the island and seeing how temperature changes across the island. Having these skills that they're learning this early in their program, being able to say, I've launched these many weather balloons, I've worked with a drone, I've built a weather station and been able to look at and interpret the data from it. These are things that, when I was their age, I would have been floored by having this level of opportunity. I think they're really going to take this and benefit from it. We certainly hoped going into this that we were going to see that passion and that engagement. We're really fortunate to have an outstanding group of students here. Just seeing how motivated they've been. They've really taken such a positive attitude and shown an openness and eagerness. And so they get to build those connections with their peers, with students from across the country, get that motivation and really develop a sense of, yes, I am a meteorologist. Yes, I am a scientist and I can do these things. And that's just so rewarding to see that in students. And by having it earlier, we hope to show that it helps to motivate them to continue in the program even if they are struggling. We also try to remove barriers by, unlike many other summer experiences, especially early on, we pay them. I don't want a student to have to choose between their financial security and educational experience that could help them like this. Over the years, STORM has developed from, this started in 2019 when it was me and 3 students, and over the years we expanded through this National Science Foundation grant. We're able to expand this in number of students, a number of professors who could bring their perspectives to this, a number of years. And so this is one of 2 years that we have National Science Foundation funding to do this, and we're hoping through people seeing just how exciting this is, how much it's helping our students, that we can get some community engagement and find some people to help us to keep this going long term.